Suzy Valentin Realtor with Century 21 Now Realty, bringing you another Southern California house tour. Please come join my husband Alex and I as we tour these new homes for sale in California. Today we're in Colton, California, which is part of San Bernardino County. The home builder of this beautiful house is Frontier Communities, located in the Wildrose HOA. We will be viewing the Residence 3 model home, which has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and a loft, which could be an optional 4th bedroom. This newly built California home measures 1,932 square feet, has a 2-car garage, an open floor plan, and showcase with optional builder upgrades. The living room is bright and airy with windows that allow the light to shine through. It joins the beautiful dining room and opens up to the modern kitchen. Beside the kitchen is the laundry room with washer-dryer hookups. The beautiful kitchen features sleek countertops, plenty of cabinets, and appliances such as a gas range, microwave, and dishwasher. It also has a walk-in pantry. The kitchen center island has a large single basin with a breakfast bar for casual dining. There's a sliding glass door for easy access to the backyard, which is conveniently off to the side of the dining area, so you can entertain your guests for all your parties and barbecues. It would be a cozy spot to sit, relax, and enjoy our Southern California weather. This home also has central heating and air conditioning with a digital programmable thermostat. All the bedrooms are located upstairs. The first bedroom features carpet, windows, and a closet. The second bedroom features carpet, a window, and a closet as well. The guest bathroom has cabinets with dual sinks, windows, and a private toilet area with a full-size bathtub and shower. There is an upstairs loft perfect for a secondary family room or optional 4th bedroom builder upgrade. The master bedroom suite is beautiful and includes lots of windows and an attached ensuite bathroom. The elegant master bathroom has a soaking tub and a shower, dual sinks, and a private toilet area. You will also find a roomy walk-in master closet. The home also includes green features, such as dual glazed windows with low-E glass, water-saving plumbing fixtures, and a tankless water heater. Now let's meet Alex and view the Wildrose HOA community pool. The pool area features a barbecue, tables, patio chairs, and chaise lounges. If you're looking for a 3-bedroom home in Colton, California or surrounding areas, or you would like additional information on this home, please contact me. I would be honored to help you find the home of your dreams. Suzy Valentin, 951-907-4020. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.